Guys, Kash Kream Developments, and today we're going to show you the journey that this CLA 45 AMG goes through as we repair it and change the colour on it from its original factory white to a gloss black. Now the black that we're going to use on this car is a black gold pearl, so it's got a very slight tinge of gold in it, so when the sun comes out it really pops, looks nice. Before doing that, we've got to go around, sort out any rectify any issues with the bodywork, which it has a lot of. It's got some real bad bodywork on the rear quarter where it's been in a crash before, so we've got to correct that as well. And once the job's complete, we're going to give it a final detail and then give it a full ceramic coating. So stay tuned, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and enjoy the video.
Oh no! The girl them want party, so you know me have to start it. Champagne she a sip it.
What the girl them want?
Red rat and chippy.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Yo, girls like instant, girls like clubs. Girls don't like you, girls like us. Since 1980s, Cindy Lauper. I know girls just wanna have fun. That one the classy, that one the scatty. That one got breasts but she got no batty. Two of them boy, the baby mother call me daddy. It wasn't me, it was gal call me a cutie. See me in the dance, D square no Gucci. Pussy pun safety, release the Uzi. When Mr. Boss it in, I mean you for shoot me. That one they choose you, but still she a choose me. Not you, you ain't gang. Take with yourself, you ain't part of the plan. The whole of them gal left it jump in a cab, cause the whole of them gal want flex for the fam. My girl, come true. Me want the something and you want fuck too. You don't love me and me don't love you. Fun we a deal with, gal come true. My girl, come true. Me want the something and you want fuck too. You don't love me and me don't love you. A fun we a deal with, gal come true. Me with a shame, take cream gal and
So moving on, the car's been painted and it looks absolutely bang on. Really happy with the results of that. Moving on to the parts, this is a really long paint job because you've got so many parts to do. You've got 4 doors. The underside of the doors have been done yesterday, and as you can see they're all masked up now, obviously protecting the new paint that's underneath. Now we're going to do the top side. Doors are completely stripped, door handles, trims, mouldings, everything can be removed, and it's being done exactly as it would be from factory. So the idea is to give the car a complete factory finish, and that's what we're aiming for. So far so good. So we're going to get the doors done today. Tomorrow we're going to move on to the bumpers, door handles and a few bits and pieces that are left. One last setting in the booth tomorrow, and we'll move on to fitting the car back up.
Male groupies can't stand. Take with yourself, you ain't part of the gang. The whole of them gal left it jump in a cab, cause the whole of them gal want flex with the fam. My girl, come true. Me want the something and you want fuck too. You don't love me and me don't love you. Fun we a deal with, gal come true. My girl, come true.
Right, door's been fully painted inside, outside. We're now fitting the wiring looms back in, the windows are in. Just cleaning the rubbers, to re-glue the rubbers in position. Let's go here. A lot of headache stripping down and rebuilding. A lot of people just mask this up, but we're taking everything off. So there's a full colour change. It's done the right way.
You want fuck too. You don't love me and me don't love you. I fun we a deal with, gal come true.
Me with a shame. The girl call him a cool. A big man she want, she no want a little youth. If she not tell her, make me tell her the truth. I mean she want to not see how me cute. So all of them girls they a feel me. You see me? Me ask anyone, them a give me. Look how she a jiggle and a twirl and a spin it. You know from me born any girl me go after me win it. Make sure you can bubble and wine pon the dick. No struggle when you climb pon the dick. Girls spend time pon the dick. Even though it tick, be my superstar girl. Shine pon the dick and wear like a clock girl tick. Tick me a boy make your pussy start drip. Drip girl ride like a jockey take whip. Whip my girl just swallow don't spit.
My girl come true. Me want the something and you want fuck too. You don't love me and me don't.
Bumpers on, a few bolts underneath. The wheel arch liners, or we call them shit guards, need to be screwed in. Bonnet on, seals on, that's it. Car wash.
Mickey on the track.
Black in the future. Just the customer who needs the car back for now, he's got to come back for ceramic coat. So because we don't recommend ceramic coating fresh brand new paintwork,
We always feel that it's the best for paintwork to settle and dry, let all the solvents air out the paintwork. Even though it might be dry to touch, it will always be releasing solvents very slowly. So if you ceramic coat it, then that traps the solvents in and it gasses out the paintwork and makes it look really dull. So when this car comes back in maybe 4 or 6 weeks time, whenever the customer's ready, give it a full 4-stage cut and polish, get the car looking like glass again, and then ceramic coat it. So when it comes back in for that, that's when we'll satin matte black the hinges and the engine bay.